Leopard Nation. I'm so proud of our students as far as the work they're doing in NTI and our families. We're really knocking it out of the park. Why don't you hear from some of our staff about the amazing statistics our kids are doing during this time?
Nice hit, Mr. Elaine. Hi, I'm Mr. Steve. I'm in charge of keeping the building clean.
Our staff has communicated with 100% of our families and students. Great job.
Over the course of the first 6 weeks of NTI, Lowe's average student participation rate has been 96%. 15 days with 98% of student participation, and even 2 days with 99%.
Hey guys, Miss Sam's here from 3rd grade. And did you know that since we've started NTI this year, we have had over 4,000 live learning lessons from teachers and our support staff.
The weekly YouTube videos have over 200 views a week.
Hey Lowe Leopards, this is Miss McCarthy in the FRC. During the course of NTI, we have done 52 home visits in September and driven 789 miles to help you guys out.
During NTI, students participated in weekly live lessons in all of our 6 special areas: art, music, computer, library, PE, and Spanish.
Hey there, Lowe Leopards. Over 250 devices have been handed out to students here at Lowe.
Hi Lowe Leopards. On our first Parent-Teacher Conference Day, we had 495 Parent-Teacher conferences.
Did you know that the library website has been viewed by 1,777 visitors over this last month, and there has been 6,158 hits to the databases? Now that's a lot of reading.
Can you believe you guys have read over 900 books on just the Lowe Library Epic page? That does not include all the books that you've read on your teachers' pages and all of our Epic accounts that we have at Lowe Elementary. Great job, guys! All kindergarten through 5th grade classes have received counseling instruction on digital citizenship.
Hey Leopard Nation, did you know that roughly 20% of our Lowe Leopards have utilized individual or small group counseling services during NTI? And every Lowe Leopard has been taught how to access our counseling referral form. They're found on your learning template if you need it.
Hey Leopard Nation, welcome to 2021 Lowe Open House. I know it's a little different this year, but we're excited that you're joining us. I was just playing a little catch with my leopard friend here, our mascot. Aim high, go low.